All right, so I am going to show you how to do doming on the MEdelman lever press. Right now, this die is currently unavailable. By the time you see this video, I should have these available. I am waiting on the urethane. This is actually from a different press, and it just so happens that it fits this one, so I'm going to make the video so that you can see how to do this. So we start out with the correct amount of shims. This will vary based on what doming tool you're using and the exact height of how these are made. I am using the blue handle for this because it has a longer stroke. I have a 1/2 inch disc here, and I have the swage block right here. So I'm going to stick that into the swage. Works best if I can get that kind of centered, which I always struggle getting that into the center. All right, so I got that kind of centered. Gonna go stick that under here and give it a good pull. The urethane conforms pretty much to the shape of the swage block. And there you go. See if I can pop it out. And there is the dome.